Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Yeah, do you know, I'm in a Ugandan jungle, so to speak, really, in a village which is, I would say, about 2 hours drive from Entebbe. Don't ask me the name because I don't actually know, but I thought I'd have a look around and see what we see, and I found the local graveyard. So this is the village graveyard, I've been told. Actually, I wouldn't like to come down here at night time. I mean, normally I don't get scared to go to graveyards, I must admit. But this is in like a forest. As you can see, it's just nothing. And in a moment, I can hear thunder in the background as well. Now, a lot of these graveyards have got names on. A lot of them don't, but they're sort of scratched on, if you understand what I mean. Let me show you. Agere Nazabara. Yeah, I think, I'm not quite sure. You must forgive my pronunciation. Yeah, born in February 21, and well, 1921 that is, and died 27th of January 2005. So they lived quite a long time. Some of the gravestones they're unmarked, or they're faded away now. Let's have a look around. Let's have a look around a few other ones that are here. Let's have a look. Nasruddin Baker, born in 51, and died in 1994. So guys, if you just come to the channel, yeah, it's my daily blogs, and I don't know what number this is at the moment. You'll see it at the beginning of the video, I'm sure. But we're going around some of the graveyards here. I mean, they're totally different to the ones in the UK, aren't they? I must admit. And there's no church nearby, nothing. It's in a, as you can see, if I spin the camera around, I'll just go all the way around. As you can see, we're actually in a wood, and well, wood forest with palm trees and everything. So yeah, it's totally different to a UK one. Let's continue to look around the graveyard, see what else we can see. Gosh, one looks like the cross is falling apart. Here's one that's made of like tiles. Yeah, this is a little bit different. These tile ones reminds me of the ones that you see like in the Philippines or something like that, really. There's more ones here. Another one down here, you see, with stones inside. Totally different, aren't they? Come across another one actually, an Alice Nagarito, born in 1983. I think it's 83, or maybe 1903. I'm not quite sure. Oh, well, no, it could be 903. 83, I think, and died in 2005. So guys, just come to the channel. Yeah, this one's a little bit of a, well, not gruesome actually, but it's a little bit haunting, so to speak. I'm at a local graveyard here in Uganda, one of the villages. And so I gather this is sort of the village, the village graveyard, and we're just going around looking and see sort of how long some people have been living for. Actually, I think the average age seems to be like 60, 70, really, to be honest. There's a few died young, but you get that in England as well, don't you? While walking around, actually, I come across in the forest, they're growing, they call them Irish potatoes, we call them normally potatoes, and that's them just down here. They grow it between the banana trees. So in the forest, I mean, they grow everything. Here, they're growing onions, as you can see. Listen to that thunder. If you're wondering where your coffee comes from, yeah, coffee beans there for you. I mean, they're not ripe yet, but that's where your coffee comes from. So I moved to another part of the village now, and you see the valley there behind me. And I tell you what, that sky's looking angry, isn't it? Huh? And so we're just having a little stroll around, really, to see what else there is here in a Ugandan village, or actually, we're not really in a village, really. We're sort of out in the suburbs, so to speak, really. And it's yeah, not many people around here at all. As I say, I walked along, we came across a graveyard, and now we're walking around here. I mean, there's a lot of palm trees and banana trees there, as you see, being grown. So I think that's about it, really. Thanks very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. And if you're following me on TikTok, please follow. And if you do, you'll probably get wet like me. I don't know. Once again, thanks very much. And, oh, give us some feedback. Love the feedback. Bye for now. Bye-bye.